How to delete friends on Monopoly Go. If you wish to delete your friends on Monopoly Go, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the Monopoly Go game. Now over the time, you must have some of the friends that let's say you want to remove for some reason. From the bottom right, you'll find this option which is the friends icon. So just make sure to tap on this friends icon here. Then when you tap on this friends icon here, you can see many options. What you have to do from here is just simply go to the option called leaderboard, and from here you can go to the option called friends. If there is a certain friend that you wish to remove, you can simply select them right here. Then just click or tap on this three dots icon that you can see, and as you've done that, you'll find the option called remove. So once you tap on this remove option, that particular friend will be removed from your friends list. This way you can delete friends on Monopoly Go. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.